Nothing feels better than a hot bowl of thukpa on a cozy day. Hi, it's me Mahi. I am making a quick and comforting thukpa using Maggi noodles and vegetables. Start by heating some oil in a pan. Add chopped onion first and then ginger garlic sauteed till fragrant. Now add all the veggies and cook them lightly. Keep them crunchy. I'm using carrot, capsicum, spinach, coriander. You can add any kind of veggies in this thukpa. It makes it more flavorful, and don't forget to add tomatoes in this. On the side, boil Maggi noodles until just soft. Add black pepper and oregano to the veggies, and most important, the chili oil. Add the boiled noodle water to the veggies. This adds great flavor to the soup, and the Maggi masala also. Now it's time for sauces. Add soya sauce, chili sauce and a little vinegar. Mix everything well. Add the boiled Maggi noodles to the pan and some momos because they make everything better. Give it a gentle mix and let all the flavor come together. Serve hot with momos.